Here's a quick tutorial to learn how to schedule parent conferences using your Outlook and Teams. So using Teams with parent conferences, we're trying to find a meeting area where the parent and the teacher and the student can come together and we can share our screen so we can navigate Teams and any other resource that you're using together. We also want to prevent other students from coming in on those one-on-one conferences. So here is how to accomplish that. The first place you're going to go is to your OneView. Once you have OneView up, you're going to go to the waffle and you are going to choose your Outlook app. Once you're on your Outlook app, you're going to switch from your email version to your calendar. When your calendar is up, you'll see that you have three different panes. And so here's the month view, and if you want to display different calendars, you can choose that. And here's sort of the layout graphic, and then here is the appointments you have based off the day you have selected. So this was what my day today looked like, and these are the appointments that I had. So we are going to go through setting up a mock parent conference, and we're going to select Saturday. So you choose the date. You're going to come up here and you're going to click on New Event. There you can create your title. So we're going to have a parent conference. And we're going to say this is with Mason Hernandez. Then we're going to invite some attendees. So we're going to invite Jess as the parent, and we're going to invite Mason as well. There he is there. So then we're going to say we're going to meet on Saturday, and we're going to go till about noon. And we're going to set that from noon to 12:30. So the next thing you need to do, or I'm going to call your attention to, is, well, maybe we want to add Miss Wakefield as well for our guidance counseling. And I'm going to add myself here only because I want to see what this looks like when this invite goes out. You don't have to do this. I'm just going to do this to show you guys here. Once I find the right email. Here we go. So this is, you don't normally do this. I'm just showing this so you can see what the invite looks like. So this says free, and this is telling you like on 420, here are the time frames that are open. So this is basically a collaboration of when these individuals are all free together. So that could be something you can use to help pick a time in which you'll have maximum attendance. Your next step is to come over here where it says add online meeting. Choose this down arrow and select Teams meeting. You can also add an agenda for your meeting. So maybe we want to say remediation options. And we want to talk about the assignment calendar. Then you can send this invite to the recipients, and you will see that it has been added to your calendar. So the next suggestion is to go to that invite and open it, because we want to clean up some of the default options. So come down to here where it says meeting options. And by default, it sets that to everyone to be presenter. So this allows Mason can come in and mute the speakers. We don't want that. So we're going to click the down arrow and make it only you and hit save. Okay, so now that you've set your meeting options, you'll notice here that there's a link. So you can actually highlight this and you can send it out in an email so that other people can click on this and join it if you want to. So you do have that option. So we are going to close that. And here you can see that. We're going to take a quick look to see if I got that email invite yet. Not quite yet. So that'll come through as soon as that is loaded, and it'll send those invites to those individuals.